Hey guys, today I'm going to be making slime and we're going to need a plastic spoon, 1 measuring cup full of water, slime activator, clear slime glue, and a bowl. First of all, we're gonna need to put some clear slime glue into the bowl. Just pour as much as you want. Next, pour in the water and mix. When it's fully blended, you can add a few drops of slime activator and just wait until it thickens. Just like this. It's getting thicker. We're gonna use our hand soon. Almost there. Just make sure that it's not overactivated, or else it won't be that stretchy. Now, all you have to do is use your hands, as long as you don't put it on paper. And there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to Gab and Raf's channel. See you on the next slime video. Bye!